DhampooTV! In my garden by the reed, I have a quiet friend indeed. He swims in the pond so cool and blue. He swims in the pond so cool and blue, in a shell that's shiny and new. Paddle, paddle, slow and steady. His house is always packed and ready. His house is always packed and ready. With a tiny tail and a happy face, he wins the slow and steady race. He climbs up on a mossy stone to sit and warm up on his own. He stretches out his neck so high. He stretches out his neck so high to watch the clouds go drifting by. I bring a leaf for him to chew. He says thanks with a splash or two. Then pop goes his head inside his door until he's ready to play some more.